Well, good morning, everyone. Don't be alarmed when you see this thing coming out. I got to do a little fixing on the canopy. Not fixing, but a little shaving. So the track system up here, I need to get that in there. So I need to grind off a spot. Teresa is really not looking too positive about the whole thing right now, but hey, I know you didn't. It'll work. But look at that, we've deployed the weapon. It's so much easier than the other one. But yeah. So that's what we're doing. Well, the solar thing is charging. The battery's 100%, good to go. So now it's just getting this stuff dealt with. Last night, and I'll try to put this video in. Had a big storm come through. They were saying 85-mile-an-hour winds. And then on the top of Mount Sentinel, which is 20 miles to the north of us, above Missoula, they clocked winds at 109 up there last night. So 3 new fires started over on the west side here. You can't see them yet. Last night you could see one of them, Kootenai Creek fire. So yeah, I'm sure there's going to be more sparking up here when the temperatures come back up. So anyway, that's what we have going on today. I'll film it this time. Keep on this thing, all right? Well, getting sidetracked. Had to go get another part or piece. So up to the shop, and the Kootenai boy is wanting some treats. So we're gonna give him some treats because he deserves it. Hi, Coots. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Here. Here. Look at that. Yeah. Poor old boy. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, he is a retired rodeo horse. My niece and nephew used to use him for 4-H and all that kind of stuff. At best guess, he's, gosh, 35. So yeah, he's getting up there. So anyway, let's get back to work. All right, you just seen some redneck ingenuity. So this is the track system, and then these obviously slide. I don't know why they wouldn't fit, but I ended up, and you've seen it, grinding off the flat part, and you know what, works just fine. It screws down, it locks into position, and it's not going anywhere. So yeah, that was kind of a pain in the butt. I was looking forward for it to be quite easy, and well, just about par. Nothing is easy for me. So I ended up having to grind off the back corner of the track because there's no way to slip that thing in there without, I think, taking the whole canopy apart, and that isn't going to happen. So I grinded it, started with the Dremel. Yeah, that didn't work. Then I went to the big guns, and well, come to find out, I put the frickin' stop nut on wrong. Just par stuff for me. Anyway, got it all ground down to where I could slip the eyelets in, or the track system in, and they were too big. So yeah, you've seen all that. Anyway, I painted it flat black again, and no one will ever be able to see it. And if you tell anyone, then yeah, it's not going to be a good thing. So that's our secret. I suspect that you'll keep it that way. So thanks. Hello again. So this is what I'm doing. Hooked up in there, and then there's inside pockets, outside pockets. There's two of them. There's one down there. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put the cook stuff in there. I don't know. I gotta get everything out. Put it in. See how it feels. Get a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So the wind is freaking cranking again. And then I was watching a Chinook helicopter. He is, and I don't think you'll get to pick it up, but so this drainage right there up in that way is Bass Creek, and then the next one over is Kootenai Creek, and there's a fire right between them on the face of the mountain facing us, and then there's two more up in the headwaters, not the headwaters, up in the canyon. So yeah, Chinook's working on that. It's too smoky to pick anything up with camera, so we're gonna just do this instead. So anyway, we'll carry on. Wind, don't like it. So I'm done. So I got everything packed. This one is the coffee and all the stove burners and shit. This one is pots and toilet paper and the kitchen utensils, and then I have one bin just to throw in this one here. So, and then of course the cooler. Oh, and then of course the water. And whatever 100 else things I'm forgetting. But yeah, that will save us well, quite a bit of room, because the Jeepster isn't that big. Anyway, I am tired of the wind. It's 20-mile-an-hour sustained winds. It's coming, well, I don't know if you guys can tell what direction it's coming from, but you know what? The old tent is holding up, and I don't even have it locked down in the front. So yeah, she's holding up pretty good. Oh, I put this stuff on. Hammocks, yeah, some hooks, an axe, a saw, yeah, cool stuff. Oh, I can't forget the saw that Teresa got me too, the battery operated one. Of course, I don't think we are gonna need to take that because well, we're on stage 2 fire restrictions, so that means no fires at all. So Anywho, I'm gonna close the tent up and be done with this program. So maybe I should film that, huh? What do you guys think? I will. Hold on. I figured before I closed it down, I'd crawl up in here, and I want to try to keep some stuff in here. I just don't know how much I can keep in here. So, yeah, the inside of the tent, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that kind of cool? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff stowed, and we'll see if it closes. Fingers crossed. Well, that's how simple that thing is. You don't have to fiddle fart around with stuffing it. Well, you still do have to. Sorry, camera should be pointed this way. You still do have to stuff it, but my gosh, so much easier. So that took, I don't know how long that took, a couple minutes, maybe. My first attempt, we have these, I don't know, foam things that we bought for it. Watch this. Oh yeah, isn't that nice? That we bought for the bed up there, because it didn't seem that thick. But yeah, it's not going to close with them in there for sure. I could maybe put like a couple of summer sleeping bags in there, and that's really about it. So I don't know if we haul them, maybe put them in a different camper. I don't know. So hey, some camping videos are coming up. I'm looking right at some things that I forgot to put in there. Oh well. Anyway, some camping videos are coming up. Monday for sure, what is today? Thursday, I think. Monday for sure, we got to go to Hamilton, do some titling stuff for some vehicles, and then we're gonna head out from there. And we're still kind of up in the air where we're gonna go. Depends on what the weather's doing, what the smoke's doing, all that kind of stuff. So I think the puppies are ready to go inside, take a little break from the wind. And are you guys ready to go inside and take a little break? Ellie, are you? I know Billy is, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, you are too. All right, so the only thing I have left today is I was thinking about going to Hamilton real quick, and then I think we have a fire department meeting tonight. That's it. So anyway, hope your guys' day is pleasant and not windy. Hello everyone. It is Friday, and if you watched the video before this, you'd know the date, because I don't. Going to take a few things to the chickens and the duckers. Look at this. Hold on. Hold on. It is, we just had another fire start off last night, and if you could see the mountain, I would tell you where exactly it is, but it's right over there. It's St. Joseph Mountain. So there's one there. The next mountain over is in between Kootenai and Sweeney. There's a fire there. None of them are real big, but I mean, you see what we get. Usually you get, you know, big, beautiful Montana skies. Yeah, not so much. This is generally what our summers have turned into, unfortunately. So yeah, I am going to turn you around so you can, actually, yeah, I gotta turn you around. Okay, you're not turned around, but here you go, duggers. They like salad. Go ahead. Yeah. That's either chicken or waffles. I don't know which one is which. They like salad. You want some more? There you go. Sorry, doing that right in your ear. It's kind of probably pretty loud. So I don't know if the chickens like grapes, but those things will eat anything. So they're gross, but they make good eggs. So let me get this turned around again, and we'll give this a good huck. Whoops. Hold on, you guys. I about dropped you again. There. There. Yeah, they're eating it. Whoop. Well, I'm not doing very good with camera work today. Oh well, that's all right. You guys don't pay me enough. Oh, jeez. What in the world? I got butterfingers today. So, if I filmed it right, you'll see the storm that we got 2 nights ago now. But I wanted to show you. I mean, there's damage all around. Not necessarily here. We did lose power, intermittent, but whatever. It is what it is. But look at the garden. I mean, obviously the wind came from this way. Look at the onion heads bent over. The corn bent over. I think I lost a little bit of it. The tomato cages bent over. Not too awful bad, but it was interesting watching that thing roll in. So sorry. Yeah, so did a little chopping this morning, or I guess it was around noon, at the old Costco's. So yeah, I'm just putting stuff away, and that's about it. It's too smoky to do anything else. And Ellie, hi. Yeah, Ellie wants to go inside, so we're going inside. And we are going to do something. I don't know what that is yet, but we'll figure it out. So have a good day, everyone. Happy Friday. Gotta see this. This is just the weirdest damn thing I've ever seen in my life. That's all dust that has just came up. There's this front couple right at us. It's insane. So I better hurry up and let it take a little bit. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, July 27th. Yeah, July 27th. So today, actually, the smoke has cleared out a little bit. Not down south, it hasn't. But today we got the little barbecue out. Sitting just perfect. Doing some pork butt, otherwise known as pulled pork or pork shoulder or whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Cooking a little bit for my buddy David and his crew where he works, because they did little welding on the big cook trailer. So I'm feeding the crew, his crew, for doing that for us. So yeah, other than that, not much happening today. I got to run to the store, get a few odds and ends. Yeah, I think that's it. So anything exciting going on? I might stop at the farmer's market actually down in Stevensville. So if there's anything cool there, I'll turn you on. So we're almost to the 2-hour mark. Look at them. Oh yeah. Temperature is still holding strong, 275. Good to go. Well, this isn't exciting, but I'm doing something. Watering the trees, so I think it's 400 and some feet. Gotta drag a hose, attach all the hoses together, and we water each one of those maple trees for a couple hours a piece. So it keeps them nice and alive. That's the end of that hose. So yeah, it's still dry. You can see the color difference between the two. Has nothing to do with the water situation. It's purely just hot. So I'm gonna get this hose stretched out and we'll continue, okay? Hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. What are you doing? Crazy dog. That's crazy. Yeah, it's beautiful. Still not done. Gotta walk back and forth, and planes flying all over the place. Kind of getting used to the helicopters. They fly overhead probably, oh, I don't know, non-stop all day long. They are, that's a private jet. They are fighting all the fires around here. So you see them with, there's a Huey that has a snorkel, and then a couple bells that just carry the buckets. There are a couple Chinooks in the area, and they're dumping with buckets also, but those Chinooks, man, those are pretty cool to see. Maybe I'll catch one flying over one of these days. Yeah, gotta fix that one of these days. So up to the top we go, check the water, make sure it's spraying right. Hopefully not touch the electric fence. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So I'm pretty sure you can see it, but that's what we do. Just a nice little gentle spray. And we let that soak in for a good 2 hours. And we try to do that every couple weeks, maybe a little bit longer. This is kind of funny. You can see a definite line in the pasture growth. This is where the cows have been eating. This is where they haven't, because it's electrified. So, yep. Dogs are busy sniffing for rabbits. Probably should evict them one of these days. Again, they just keep showing up. So, one of these days. I don't know that I have a long enough freaking hose. Huh. Well, I'll have to figure out something. I need what looks to be like another 10 feet probably. So, well, let's go find it. Well, I'll give that a couple hours. So, anyway, I'm doing, still barbecuing the pork. It's gonna be, I don't know, probably 6 more hours from now. Takes a long time, but man, people brag about it. I guess it's pretty good. So if you want some, let me know. Cook some up for you. Sound good? All right, we'll talk to you guys later. What do you got? Is that a ball? Put it down. There you go. You gotta give it. Give. 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 Do you guys think I need to work on her? Hey, let go of it, you turd. Jeez. I haven't worked with her forever. Ellie's still trying to get a rabbit. Unsuccessful. So, we meaning me and you. These trees are done. We're moving the water over here. So, yeah, Teresa should be pulling in here real quick. So, I'll set you up on a nice perch and you can watch, okay? Howdy. Well, oh, look at that. That was the timer to move the water. How precise is that? So we'll start another 2 hours. I might have to wait and water the other ones until tomorrow. I thought we could catch Teresa pulling in, but Ellie might. No, she doesn't. She is just right on top of the ridge, so maybe if I talk long enough we can see her pulling in, but I doubt it. So I think we're gonna end the video here. My buddy Sean and his daughter and granddaughter came over this afternoon for a little visit. And I think we are gonna go for a little camping trip on the Magruder corridor. Trying to get our other buddy David to come along, but he has some stuff to fix first before he can commit. So we're thinking probably leaving this coming up Friday, but we'll see. Maybe push it off for one more week. I'll have to talk to Sean and kind of figure that whole thing out, but yeah. So temperature wise, the last couple of days been down into the 80s and it's been awesome. Oh, I got a couple videos of some nice bucks down below. Maybe I'll put them in this video too. So yeah, not a whole lot happening. Still really super smoky. You can see the mountains on this side, but if you flip the camera around, I mean, there's absolutely nothing. So yeah, that's the bummer about Montana summers as of recent. Sure wasn't like this when I was a kid. Anyway, yeah, that's about it, I believe. Nothing big coming up this week, just regular chore stuff, and I'm sure I'll film. So yeah, well, I don't think Teresa's gonna make it on this video, so shoot, maybe she'll make the next video, who knows. Anyway, that is it. We're calling it a cut here. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good week coming up.